So welcome to this video. In this video, let us discuss about MRA quadrature amplitude modulation. So in this MRA quadrature amplitude modulation, just we'll have a brief recap about MRA PSK system. In MRA PSK system, the in-phase and quadrature component of the modulated signal are interrelated, okay, in such a way that the envelope is constrained to remain constant. We know that the multiplexer output, demultiplexer output is split into two different waves, that is odd component and even component, and we have generated, right? The same way here in BPSK, the same way in MRA PSK also, it has been, envelope has been constrained to remain constant, okay. So, however, if this constraint is removed to permit the in-phase and quadrature component to be independent, we will get a new modulation scheme called MRA quadrature amplitude modulation. The quadrature amplitude modulation is a hybrid form of modulation. So in that, the carrier experiences amplitude as well as PM. So in MRA pulse amplitude modulation, the signal space diagram is one-dimensional, but MRA QAM is a two-dimensional generalization of MRA PAM. So the formulation will involve two orthogonal passband basis function in MRA QAM. So we can define the basis function as such a way that phi 1 of t is equal to root 2 divided by t into cos of 2 pi fct into 0 less than or equal to t less than or equal to capital T. And phi 2 of t is equal to integral root 2 by t, root 2 divided by t sine of 2 pi fct into for the limit 0 less than or equal to t less than or equal to capital T. So, followed by that, let us consider the minimum distance between any two message points in a QAM constellation. So, the minimum distance is represented by d minimum. The projections of ith message point on the phi 1 and phi 2 axis are defined by ai d minimum by 2 and bi d minimum by 2. Here the I varies from 1 to up to m. With the separation between two message points in the signal space diagram, it is proportional to the square root of energy, okay. So with the separation of these message points, we can set once again such a way that d minimum by 2 is equal to root E naught. We know that E naught is the energy of the message signal with the lowest amplitude. So based on these equations and the concept, the transmitted MRA, that is QAM signal for symbol K, can be defined in terms of E naught. Therefore, Sk of t is equal to root of 2 E naught divided by t into ak into cos of 2 pi fct minus root of 2 E naught divided by capital T into bk sine of 2 pi fct. And this Sk of t is the interval under the limit of 0 less than or equal to t less than or equal to capital T. And the k varies from 0 plus or minus 1 plus or minus 2 etc. Now this signal Sk of t involves two phase quadrature carriers, okay, each one of which is modulated by a set of discrete amplitude. Hence, the terminology we used is quadrature amplitude modulation. In MRAQM, the constellation of message points depend on the number of possible symbols that is represented by capital M. So we consider the case of square constellations for which the number of bits per symbol is even. Okay. Therefore, the QAM square constellations with an even number of bits per symbol can be written mathematically as L is equal to root M, where L is the positive integer. So, while comparing with binary phase shift key, that is BPSK, QPSK, we have discussed MRAPSK. That means BPSK is having 2 symbols, QPSK is 4 symbols and in the form of debit, and MRA is having M possible symbols. But here MRA quadrature amplitude, why we named it as MRA quadrature amplitude in the sense that is 2 phase quadrature carriers, each one of which is modulated by a set of discrete amplitudes. Hence we call it as quadrature amplitude modulation. Okay. And also coming to the square constellation. So QAM square constellation is in the form, is defined by an even number of bits per symbol. And also we can write this QAM square constellation of even number of bits per symbol mathematically as capital L is equal to root M. And here the capital L is nothing but positive integer. So such a way the square constellations can be developed or constructed such a way with even number of bits per symbol as well as the odd number of bits per symbol. So this comparisons of the logic concept of binary PSK, that is BPSK, QPSK, MRA PSK and MRA QAM has been understood thoroughly in this prior and present videos. Thank you so much for watching the video. Thank you.